Oh, please.
Me.
Yeah.
What will you do before you become a great businessman, and after you become a great businessman in helping other people to become a great businessman?
I want to do now what I want to do.
Before you become a great businessman, and after you become, what will you do to help other people to become a great businessman?
Allah, beautiful question, right? I never heard that before, but
The pure, what is orang mulia,
Oh yes.
wise people.
noble people, right?
Wise men,
Noble, wise people, maybe. Okay, go on.
Yeah,
It's okay.
wise people, all great people always share what you have, what he have, like he have the knowledge about that. We share about knowledge. You not only smart yourself, but your what is your follower, maybe your follower be smart too, and yourself will be smarter than them. So if you have the money, please you give sadaqah, give
Mashallah.
foundation. Yes.
Charity.
Charity.
That's what I mean. Charity.
Make you make your
Happy in your life.
happy, yes, and I think make trust from society. Oh, he's good man. Please.
Defend you from disaster.
Yes.
Disaster, right? Defend on you disaster.
Disaster.
Disaster. Musibah.
Yeah.
Fan of disaster.
Disaster. Yeah, that's what I mean, man. No, man. Please.
Maybe share something what I have after I be the great people, before I be the people, and then after I be the good people. Is always more important.
Sure.
And must humble, give what we have, and then not lost your connection,
Mashallah.
your relationship.
Yeah, inshallah.
Not cut your relationship.
Ah.
You must, although they ask your enemy.
Don't break away, don't blow away our relationship with our neighbor.
Separate.
Separate. Okay, thank you, man.
This